check this. Oh, it's a tight squeeze here. The rib looks really good. Check out the action here. This guy backing up. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? He's backing up and he's trying to get by and he's trying to get by. Well, that's never looked good. See the rims are? I got a Monte Carlo and here's another Monte Carlo. It is a little bit of bling on this, eh? Pretty serious setup there with a 454. It's done. It's got quite a bit. I like the lights, eh? You can see the motor. It's got little lights there. I don't know if they reflect down over here. It's all matte black, flat black. Oh, you remember the Montes, eh? You could spin the seats to get out. Anyway, here's the interior. Pretty good, man. Oh yeah, thanks. Monte Carlo there. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I'm at the back. I haven't even gone to the main event. Kind of heads back to my car. Like the plate. Okay, let's see inside. Oh my god, this is awesome setup. Oh, that's awesome.
That's a nice install, eh?
Oh yeah. Man, it's so clean.
Yeah, and then you painted the car with factory paint.
Get out, that's a factory.
Yeah.
Sleeper. God, this thing's gotta be about 800. Yeah, I bet this thing's, it hauls the mail. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to my camera. What is this? Oldsmobile? Cutlass? Burrito? With 6-liter LS. With Super. The turbo on there, big turbo. God, this thing's gonna fly. It's got a sleeper setup. Can you see that? Regular rims, painted original color. Interior is just absolutely plain Jane. Oh, here's another one. You guys gotta see this.
So it makes it so much easier to do that.
It's a twin turbo setup on another LS. Got 2 turbos. Okay. Your carb. I see you've got a load carb setup. Oh, it's got a few guys over here. They brought their cars together. Yeah, 396. You see that? He's got slicks. Dog dish. Just your plain Camaro. Fine. This is that 400 Malibu. It's not an SS, but it has that 400. I think that would be a smart. It's never looked good. So factory and sleeper. Back in the day. Okay, nice. You gotta see the bikes here. Victor.
No, right in front of TV. Yeah.
100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. Just have a look at it. I went too quick. Check the chrome on this. It's just. Whew. And of course, there's my car. I don't know if anybody's looking at it, but here it is. So, well, I haven't even gone on this side yet. Big pot of yak, crazy, man. Oh, well, these are the cruisers. I like this airbrush. This little paint job on there. Nice design. Yeah, hey, keep walking here. Actually, oh my god, Mustang. They're all Mustangs. You know what the one I want to see? Oh, I remember 429 Mustang. 429, eh? You know, that's big. Rare too. Been here before, like me, for the show. It's a fun show.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Oh my god, there's two of them. Oh my. Okay, check this out. Signed by Carol himself. It's amazing. Oh, good parking spot here. I'd like to park here and get my car and bring it here, but by the time I do that, it'll be too late. Is that cool, eh? There's a lot of nice cars here today. You know what, I just was walking here not long ago and quite a few have changed up a bit. They left. Some other cars came. Now I'm going to make my way over to the other side and there's cars all over there too. Oh, they look good. Let's go and check it out. I was here before and this car was here. I believe it's the same one. I just couldn't see very good because he was parked in a difficult spot to see. Fairlane 500. Ford Fairlane 500. What's cool about this one is it's got a pretty rare motor setup. 4-speed. See inside, it's neat. But here's what you gotta see. Not that one. This. You make that out? There's a lot of badass cars here today. Got a nice Mustang here, all blacked out, with a roll cage. It's got a cage in it, so he could be good to do 9-second quarters without getting the boot.
Race car guys, right? You fucking go look at it, they want more.
Wow, it's a nice blue. It looks black, but it's a blue car, blue and white. It is what a nice shade of blue. It's not black, but it's as dark as it.
Like that.